Let us see how to draw the schematic of CMOS XNOR gate. Let us draw the symbol of it first. The Boolean expression for this particular XNOR gate will be y is equal to A XNOR B. Now we have to write this particular Boolean expression in terms of basic gates. So it will be y is equal to AB plus A bar dot B bar. So we have to get the whole bar here first. So try to apply bars 2 times. Place the first bar as it is, and for the internal part try to apply De Morgan's law, which is A plus B whole bar can be written as A bar dot B bar, and second one is A dot B whole bar will be A bar plus B bar. So here it is in the form of A plus B whole bar, which is law number 1. A plus B whole bar can be written as A bar dot B bar. Now for the internal part, try to apply again De Morgan's law, which is A dot B whole bar means it can be written as A bar plus B bar. And for the second one, it will be A bar whole bar plus B bar whole bar. If 2 bars are there, we can cancel them out. So it will be y is equal to A bar plus B bar dot A plus B. Now this is a Boolean expression for which we have to draw the schematic of CMOS XNOR.